So today's Friday tip is about how do I optimize my lens. Last week we talked about sharpening your images by using a really sturdy tripod and hanging a weight on it, making it as solid as possible. But we didn't talk about your lens. Now, all lenses have a sweet spot, and most of the time we don't really know exactly where that sweet spot for the lens is. But with experience, I've found that all my lenses' sweet spot is 2 to 3 stops down from wide open. That's when the lens gives the best sharpness of the image. Let's have a look at this lens. This is an 80mm lens, and wide open it's 2.8. So if I close it down 2 stops, I'm at 5.6, and 3 stops, I'm at f8. So 5.6 to f8 is going to be the optimum that this lens can perform at. Now you might say, John, I do landscape work, I need maximum depth of field. That's all well and good, but if you're using f16, f22, you are not optimizing your lens and you're not getting the sharpest pictures you can. So practice working at f8, f5.6, practice your photographs with that, find out what depth of field you can achieve, the distances from your subject to maximize the front and rear focus, and you'll be optimizing your lens and getting the highest quality images that your lens can provide. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week.